Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting the stopwatch on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button to open the Apps menu. Scroll down and tap on the stopwatch icon. Tap the Play button to start the stopwatch. You can tap the Pause button to pause the stopwatch. When it is paused, you can tap the Square button to stop the stopwatch. You can tap the flag to mark a lap. The stopwatch won't run in the background, so you will have to leave the app open for it to work. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.